What's going on, guys? Enzo here. Wanted to do a little unboxing video on my brand new MP9e TKI 4 ebuggy kit that I will be using this summer along with my MP9 Nitro. So yeah, let's get to it. I bought this kit from Trains and Lanes Hobbies up in Pennsylvania. Kyosho America didn't have them, so I had to source one out, but luckily my good buddy Brian was able to get me one, and we were able to get it all squared away, so I have my ebuggy kit for the summer. So let's go ahead and crack it open and see what you get when you unbox your MP9. Alright, factory seals are broken. I cut those open. Let's see what you get. Boom, there it is, MP9e. Right off the bat, I see my manual. See some things that are touched up. Manual, sticker sheet, window decals, you know, the usual. Got my wing, side guards. This looks like the radio tray assembly. Obviously your body's right here. A big body, looking all fancy. All these other parts. Your shocks. A bunch of other drivetrain parts. I see knuckles right there, bearings, wheel nut wrench. I see the ring gear grease right there. A couple other goodies, and of course, the one and only chocolate chassis, as I call it. It looks like a Hershey chassis. There it is, MP9e chassis, which is off the Nitro, but you know how it works. So there's that. One thing to note that a couple people had asked me on the MP9e TKI 4. If you notice, the shock coating on the car is from the TKI 4. That comes with the black shock collar with the laser etchings on it, as you can see right there. In the box art, or for the box art for the car, it actually shows that it comes with the TKI 3 shocks in the coated shocks. So a lot of people were a little confused on that. They didn't know if it came with the TKI 4 coated shocks and the TKI 4 shock collars, but I figured I would clarify that. So yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much what you get. Pretty straightforward, just like the Nitro car. So yeah, let's get building to it, and I'll make some update videos as we get to it. So yeah, stay tuned, and we shall see you soon.